Hello retro games and collectors, and welcome to another Amiga video gameplay. In this one we're playing Silkworm, which is a bit of a shooter and an absolutely brilliant game. And obviously I'm playing the Amiga version. Well, what am I saying? This is the Amiga, and I've got my sexy six stick again. Let's get cracking in this. And it's made by Temco? I pronounced it right. So let's get cracking. Just keep my finger down. Some pallets would be nice. Hey up, we've got missiles. Oh! I'm gonna get to it. Yes. I'm just holding my finger down. Yeah, some protection. Yes, just got it. Right, the boss. Number right. Hell yeah! There you go, first round done. Take that out. Whoa. Oh man. Oh. Whoa. Missile's walking onto me. No! Whoa. Oh. Right, that's it. That's actually a pretty good score. Oh, I need to get to the keyboard. Let's... There you go. I'll do. Right, that's it. Make this a bit of a quickie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in my next video. So don't forget, you're never too old to game. No. Now I said my old YouTube channel. Fitness Gamer signing out. Hell yeah.